All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Jason. My channel is all about uh, making money online, finding ways to make money online, and passing those on to others so that they can do the same. On the channel, we have several different series about exactly that. Now, officially everything on here I'm making money with. We actually just turned our first profit yesterday on this series here we're about to jump into to see how long it takes us to turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank, just using a free promotion through Clickbank, a free product, and then a $5 a day account on an email platform inside my lead gen secrets. So if you have not subscribed yet, I'd sure appreciate if you would. And we really like the support. And let's go ahead and jump right into let's jump into our Clickbank and check today, see what things look like. Okay, so there's our sale from yesterday. Or I guess actually that'd be from Friday night or Thursday night. Yeah. So all good. Let's jump into our account. Go to reporting. Affiliate. Let's see. Yeah, let's check today first. All right, so today so far, so see, we're still getting plenty of clicks to our link to our website. So no worries there. This is 83 already today, and we haven't even sent out our emails yet today. So we're getting tons of traffic in there still, which is definitely what we want to see. Lots of traffic is what equals those sales once we find that person. So come in here. Let's go ahead and go to check from when we started. Now this is day number 23, I believe. I'll have to double check and see. But here we go. Here are our stats. So here's the new offer. So we've had 452 clicks to our link. So that came up considerably. So we've only sent out, let's see, let me look at this page over here. And we've only sent out 2 emails for this offer. So now our clicks have came way up. So now we're up 226 per day, which is really good. So now we're just piling in more traffic. Now this sale came from the very first email that we sent out for this new promotion that we're running. So that's where this sale came from. So cool. Maybe we'll have better luck with this one. And we've still got emails out for the last promotion that we did. They're still hitting. So you can see here, we're still getting clicks. All right, so let's jump right over and get that. Let's see, let's get our first email out, or our daily email out. And it's gonna be, we better make sure we're on, I do believe, yeah, 23. So we're on day 23. So we're going to our first account. Mailing system, like always, don't need these, don't need to mess with this. You're gonna click select all. And then we're going to go over and grab our subject line. And today, this is our subject line. And I think for this one, we are going to use the pre-header because I think it will fit better with that subject line with the pre-header. So what we'll do, let me just copy the whole email and everything, just like we've been doing. We're going to copy everything. We're even going to pull over our hop link. That way we can go in and change it here, and we can just go in and put it inside the email where we want it. So we'll grab our short code. And it's always good to put this because it personalizes a little bit anyway, right? And we're going to leave all the best. And whoops, we're just going to put our name. Now we'll go ahead and get this all out of bold. And then I'm going to go here and we're going to do our pre-header. So we're just going to go right there. Okay. So that's good. Actually, we can even go in here, we can underline it, or we can change the size of what we want to do, but we're just underline it and then we'll move on. Okay, so down here, here's where your affiliate ID is going to go. You should have that set up in Clickbank. So I'll use mine. There's mine. And then what we're going to do is just copy the whole thing right to there. Control copy or Control C. And we'll just go right here. Hit this blue line, it says. So we'll bold. And actually, let's go ahead and come up just one size. And let's see if there's anywhere else that we can put a link in here. I like to have it in there a couple times. Oh, we can just read it. We'll just read through it and see. So, hi, first name. If you're from an English-speaking country and are looking for a remote way of working and making a living, then this job is for you. Here, you just have to work 5 to 8 hours a week and can pocket 35 to 45 bucks an hour. We could put it there. I think it says here. We could put, so we might be able to put it there. The job is quite interesting. You just have to operate social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube on behalf of some companies. Those companies are fresh startups that want to hire reliable and responsible remote workers from your country. So this will go out worldwide, which we do deal with worldwide traffic. MLGS, it does go all over the place, so that's good. Let's see, everything will be pre-made and you just have to copy and post it on their social media. Okay, sounds pretty easy, but I think we should go ahead. Let's just go ahead and put our link in here. So we've got it in there twice. And then we're just going to leave it like that. We're not going to, I'm not going to bold that or anything. All right, so there we go. We'll do perfect timing. Everything else looks good. It makes sense. The grammar's fine on this one. The spelling's good. We already checked the spelling. So we're good. We're going to Control C. Oh, yeah, shoot. I forgot we can't have emojis. So we'll just get rid of that emoji. No biggie. Okay, so there's the first one done. And we go into our, so we're going to duplicate that tab and go into our next account. Just like all the previous. This is all very repetitive. Every day we come in, we do the same thing. So we want to see how we can do just going day by day with this simple copy and paste method that we're using. So we're going to move on to our next email. Perfect timing. Subject we'll grab from our Google Doc. And then we're going to copy our email. So we're ready for the next one. Make sure you got everything. Yep, good. All right, then we're going to go to our next one. I'm going to log out. And we're looking for number three. Number three. Mailing system, select all the way down. Control V to paste. Hit perfect timing, and then grab our subject from the Google Doc. Control C, Control V. Then we come down here, we're going to highlight all this and then Control C. So ready for our next email and send. All right, then we're going to go to our other tab and we'll log out and log into number 4. Grab our leads and go put our email in there. Okay, same process. And then one more time, we're going to grab this email and send. Now you do want to wait until you get that notification right here. If you try and go too fast and you move accounts before this comes up, it's not going to send. It won't send. It'll just be sitting there. Then you got to start over. All right, number 5. Okay, so again, mailing system, select all, come all the way down, highlight, Control V, perfect timing. We need to get our subject line, easy right there. And then you can always, so one thing I don't think we've talked about is if you ever need a good look at this, you can pull it up and you can actually test your link in here. So if I wanted to go ahead and test this link, I can do that in the preview. See how it comes up? So you can test it and see, and yeah, we're good. I mean, it's going through, it's going to where it needs to go to. So they can come in here, then click to apply. And this is what we want them to do. We want them to come in, click to apply, go through, and then make the purchase to start doing this, this job, right? So all is good there. And then we can test this one too if we want to go to the same place. It's the same link we used. Yep. So same thing. There we go. Everything's working. I didn't really have any doubts. I just forgot that I probably didn't show that yet. And it's kind of cool that you can get in there and test everything, make sure it's all working right before you send these out. So that is about it for today. I'm going to try and make these videos a little bit faster, so I'm not taking up too much time, but I do want to continue these because I think it's pretty cool seeing how much we're getting done in just that 10 minutes a day, and how you guys can do the same thing and start turning a little bit of extra money. Now, hopefully this is just going to snowball. Well, it will. This will just continue to snowball. We'll continue to get sales like this, and then we'll get those recurring commissions, which is what we want. We want the recurring commissions that we get from the sales. That way they keep coming and it becomes passive income. So we don't have to worry a lot about it. We send these out and we just make passive income. So, all right, guys, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Whenever you're in here, take a look at some of these others, see if you have any interest in anything else that we do here. Like I said, the entire channel is about making money online. That is what we do, and that is what we like to teach others to do. If you do have any questions, my number is always at the bottom. Be patient if you would. I don't always get those right away, but I try and answer them as soon as I can. So if you do have any questions, just let me know. And we'll wrap it up for today, and we'll see you on the next one.